Hello everyone, it is 7:59 in the morning Philippines time. So after first flower has fallen, it has produced this new spadix. I have already pollinated this. I don't know if it would succeed, but now it's forming its pollen grains, and look what's popping up, a new shoot of spadix. Maybe I would have to cut it off for experimental purpose. It's pretty leaf. Since the last video, this is the new leaf. Eventually this will turn into this pink, reddish pink. We call this nearly magenta or hot pink. So for now I will get this one. This is an experiment. Disclaimer, you don't have to follow what I do. So I have to sacrifice this flower, and then, sorry my dear plant, here you go. I have removed this one, and let us see. Ooh, this beautiful prospect. But I would want to ensure if this spadix will eventually form seeds, because I have removed this one. So another experiment. Today is Sunday morning, and guys, thank you for keeping up with my plant. Gorgeous plant. I'll just have to put it here to remind me of it. Okay, the pollen I have taken off from pollinating this spadix came from here. Came from these spoon-shaped leaves, dark foliage. It is also starting to form its fourth flower. I think this will not prosper. So back to the original pink, hot pink or magenta foliage. So it has rotten leaves because of varied climate, varied weather in the area. So good luck, good health, and may the heavens bless all hopes, all joys, and all the foliages in the world. Amen.